Now, as I'm doing this video, Boxer closed trading at 66 rands per share. You will know that Boxer is one of the stocks that we've been talking about a lot on this channel recently, simply because Boxer just recently listed on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange. I mean, the last time we were talking about Boxer, we were talking about obviously how the share price has been doing after it listed last week on Wednesday, which obviously before then the trading platform EasyEquities offered the investors or those that are interested into buying Boxer shares to buy them at 54 rands per share, which is the share that, ladies and gents, it was expected to start trading at, which many people never got to see. Those that traded or that tried to buy shares of Boxer on Wednesday, the first day that it opened last week trading on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange, never got the opportunity to buy Boxer shares at 54 rands per share. In fact, it opened, I think, trading around 63 rands per share, 62 rands per share, which meant that those that took the offer from EasyEquities to buy them at 54 rands per share really reaped some good profits, because from where Boxer is currently trading at right now, from that 54 rands per share, it's up 22%, which is something that is great, because 22%, no one can give you those kind of gains. Seeing Boxer giving these kind of gains in just a space of 1 week, it is absolutely great. I never participated into those expression of interest that EasyEquities was offering, but on Thursday last week, I went in and bought Boxer shares, and I'm glad to say that as I'm doing this video, as soon as screen, I'm up 5.8% onto the Boxer shares. I don't know where the share price might be tomorrow, end of the year, but I think what will matter is the performance that Boxer will put out for the investors out there, meaning that if they continue doing good, or they post good earnings, good revenues, good financial performance, their shares will continue going up. Or as if they fell short from what people are expecting out of them, then the share price will drop, which is something that we don't want to see, right? I mean, personally, I'll be open with you. I did not buy that much, or I did not invest that much onto Boxer shares. I just went in and with the little money that was on my account and scooped some shares to just see what happened. But what will be mostly important for investors is the performance that, like I said, Boxer will show us in the next coming, or when they report their financial earnings. That will determine if investors should continue pouring money into Boxer, or maybe holding a bit and see where it will be, or where it can be maybe in the near future. So share price of Boxer as it stands, it's doing pretty well, it's doing pretty fine, and I suppose, like I said, we need to wait and see where that takes us. I'm up 5.8%, which is a good thing. I mean, it is not many places where you can get 5.8% in a space of 1 week. In fact, it is not many places where you can get 22%, because those that, of course, participated into the offer of interest that EasyEquities were offered to the investors, they are now sitting at 22%, which is a good thing. And yeah, I hope I just wished I participated, but like I said earlier on the video last week, when I made that first purchase, I simply forgot that it was the last day and I missed the opportunity. But anyways, there will be more opportunities that come, and I just thought I'd give you this quick updates. Tell me where you at, where you sitting at in terms of your growth, your profits onto the Boxer shares. I'm up 5.8%, like I showed you. Yeah, those that participated, I am sure you guys are very, very happy with the kind of gains that you are seeing onto Boxer shares. And like I said, where it could be next week, next month, I don't know, but it will be determined by how it performs financially. And if it continues performing great, or if it performs better, then investors will put in more money, which will drive the share price up, obviously. So yeah, man, just thought I'd give you this quick update. Tell me what you think about this. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment and subscribe, and once you subscribe, don't forget to hit or click that notification bell so that at least you get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. I appreciate you guys that have been subscribing, liking the videos that I do on almost on a weekly basis. I really appreciate you. Encourage me to do more, and I will do more, give you more videos about the SA stock market. That's all from me, man, and I'll see you on my next video, and God bless you all.